Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to record calls on Samsung automatically. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to record calls on Samsung phone automatically, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the phone app. Click on the three dots at top right. Locate and click on settings. Click on record calls. Turn on auto record calls. Now, when next you have an incoming call on your Samsung phone, and you pick up the call, your Samsung phone will start recording the calls automatically. You can see record, and record button is enabled here. If you end the call and you want to access the call you recorded automatically, all you simply need to do is go back to the phone app, click on the three dots at top right, click on settings, click on record calls, click on recorded calls, then you should see the call recordings. Now go ahead and click on it and choose any of the application you want to use to play the call record. Then click on once. Then
The Samsung phone will start recording the calls
that's
automatically.
it. So that's exactly how to record calls automatically on Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.